I drew a blueprint on a napkin for a house that we could build. I knew just where the cracks would happen, and the drafts that let the chill come in. I bought the paint in your favorite color, that faded pale and broken blue. I built the frame to fit no other. It was always sized for you. Oh, the skyline I tried to borrow, the little bits of hope I knew every yesterday and each tomorrow. It was all for you. Yeah, it was all for you. I found a compass with a shattered needle. It only pointed to the past. I held it like a holy steeple, praying for a thing to last too long. I learned to speak a silent language, translated all my blood and bone into a book of empty pages that only you could own. Oh, the northern star I tried to follow, the hollow wake I stumbled through, every promise that rings hollow. It was all for you. Yeah, it was all for you. Yeah, it was all for you. You were a lighthouse, I was the ocean. I crashed against you just to feel the shore, and I was the clockwork, you were the motion, but you took the gears and left the wheel. So I learned to love the empty socket where the light bulb used to be. I keep your name inside my pocket like a key to a door that isn't for me. In the sinking ship I fill with sorrow, the broken parts I glued, my final breath I'd steal or borrow. It was all for you. It was always for you. It was all for It was all for you. It was all for you. It was always for you. I wrote this song for you.